Hey, what's up guys, TANSAFTECH is here. Galaxy Note 20 Plus to have a 50 times zoom, laser autofocus, new ultra-wide sensor and many more things. The Galaxy Note 20 Plus will share some camera specification with the Galaxy S20 series, but exactly what specs will be common across both the smartphone lineup will remains to be seen. However, a popular leaker Ice Universe claims to have acquired a new information regarding the Galaxy Note 20 Plus model camera in particular. The information shared on Twitter account claims that the Samsung Galaxy next S Pen flagship will indeed have a periscopic type camera module, but it won't be capable of achieving 100 times of a zoom. If this information is correct, the periscopic lens employed by the Galaxy Note 20 Plus will not be paired with the same 48 megapixel sensor used by the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Instead, the periscopic type system will be accompanied by a 13 megapixel ISOCELL Slim 3ms 1/3 inch of a sensor which have a support for wide dynamic range. This combo will apparently achieve a maximum hybrid zoom of 50 times. The ISOCELL Slim 3M5 sensor has 1.0 mm pixel PDAF Smart WDR and it's capable of 120 FPS video recording. Also, it is supported by RAW 10 format as well. Aside from the ISOCELL Slim 3M5 sensor with the periscopic style lens, the Galaxy Note 20 Plus camera setup could also features an ISOCELL Bright HM1 108 megapixel sensor, and that sensor is going to be the same sensor which have we already seen in the Galaxy S20 Ultra. The source also claimed that this module will no longer be assisted by a time of flight sensor, as the Samsung could be ditching this feature from the Galaxy Note 20 series. Instead of the time of flight sensor, it will place a laser autofocus system which will assist the ISOCELL Bright HM1 sensor. The third and the final camera module on the back of Galaxy Note 20 Plus would be based on ultra-wide 12 megapixel ISOCELL Fast 2L3 1/2.55 inch of a sensor with 1.4 mm of a pixel, dual pixel PDF support, a smart WDR support as well. It can achieve a slow motion recording of up to 1440 FPS, but the video which is coming inside has been cropped up to 720p resolution, and it can output RAW 10 and RAW 8 formats of images inside. There is another news regarding the Galaxy Note 20, and it is related to the naming of that particular device. There is still a chance for a so-called Galaxy Note 20 Ultra to be exist in the market. The industry came to refer the Samsung Galaxy upcoming S Pen flagship series by the Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Note 20 Plus moniker. After various leaks pointed out that there won't be a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra model for the Samsung Galaxy later this year, but that may still be the case. But however, a recent Bluetooth SIG entry for the Galaxy Note 20 variant identified the model number SM986U suggests otherwise. Instead of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus, the Bluetooth certification has a naming for the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 device is going to be the Note 20 Ultra model. There is no evidence that the third Galaxy Note 20 model being in the work, and assuming that the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra moniker will stick, this would be likely mean that Samsung lineup will consist of a base model and an Ultra model itself, with a no plus variant in between. In this case, the adoption of Ultra moniker would be largely boiled down the marketing decision, and perhaps the Samsung will justify it with the inclusion of 50 times zoom periscopic lens inside. All in all, Samsung might be pushing its new camera system to a new level and correct the issues which have been arrived in Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra with this new setup. For now, 100 times zoom is somewhat of a gimmicky rather than an actual useful feature, and 50 times is probably enough for any practical use. The inclusion of new dual pixel PDF ultra wide sensor and the switch from time of flight sensor to a laser autofocus should be welcome. So guys, that is it in this particular video. If you want to keep updated yourself regarding the new phones features and the upcoming devices, please do consider subscribing my channel. So that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.